Hi, I'm Nirav.
And I'm Iris.
This is Lindy 1, week 3, June
2012.
Tonight we reviewed some 6-count moves and how'd you mix them and match them.
And you can watch the last 2 videos for that.
Yes. Then we got into 8-count footwork, and we started off with the toss across.
Looks like this. We'll do it at a diagonal, why not?
Okay.
This way. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rock,
5,
step,
6,
triple
7,
step, rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, step, step. So the biggest thing here is that it's pretty much the same footwork as what you've been doing with the regular 6-count basic, but we are just adding rock steps or steps in the middle of those triples. So from behind, just do it in place. 8-count footwork.
Yep.
So it looks like this. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Notice Nirav is doing
5, 6, 7, 8.
more of a rock step, and I'm stepping. It's the same thing. All right, so practice that while you're brushing your teeth and shopping. And then we got into the 8-count circle.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So for the leaders, what's really important for you is to leave your follower where she is and get in front of her on that first triple step.
Right. 1, 2, I'm leaving her where she is. 3 and 4, she's still in the same place. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaders, as you go around, you don't want to be doing crossing in any kind of awkward ways. Just move your feet around faster if you want to go around faster.
We had a request for some close-up of footwork. All right, we'll do the 8-count circle.
5,
right
6,
here.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And maybe from behind.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
Triple
and 4.
step, step,
5,
step,
6,
triple
7, 8.
step.
Cool.
All right, so we'll review that again next week, and then we'll move on into the swing out. See you then.